Perimeter of a square formula, 4 times s. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. In the case of a square, start at one vertex, parentheses, corner, and parentheses, and proceed along the side, turning at each vertex and continuing until arriving back at the vertex from which we started. This distance is the perimeter of the square. If the side length of the square is 5, then with each side we add 5 for a total of 4 sides to get 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 20 units. Since multiplication is just repeated addition, we can simply say 4 times 5 equals 20 units. Notice that perimeter is a length or distance and therefore has units to the power 1. Let's consider units in the calculation. If the square has a side length of 5 units, then we add 4 sides, or 5 units plus 5 units plus 5 units plus 5 units equals 20 units. Or we multiply 4 times 5 units equals 20 units. In making a formula, we may say 4 times the side length, parentheses and parentheses, or 4 times parentheses the side and parentheses, or 4 times s, or even 4s. The perimeter of a square is the distance around the shape of a square, or 4 times s. Related words: perimeter of a circle, parentheses, circumference and parentheses, perimeter of a shape, perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a trapezoid, units, length.